Hello YouTube viewers and subscribers. Finally I received motors for my quadcopter build, freestyle FPV quadcopter build, and my choice were EMAX LS2207 2400 kVs. So these are 4 of them. I will open just one box. As you can see, they come in well packed and in the nice plastic box, protected there. So this is the motor itself. Let me change the zoom of the camera with wires. And here are some screws, more screws, and one additional screw. This is self-tightening nut on the shaft, and this will be my motors for the freestyle quadcopter build. You can find the link for this product in the description below. And let me just say a few words about this. So it has, as they claim, new bell design to reduce damage from impacts. Also they have reduced base size. Let me see in this. Yeah, right, this base size is reduced to 16 by 16 millimeters. I'm talking about the holes, but as you can see, the base isn't big as the bell. Also it has high efficiency NSK bearings, 1.8 millimeter thick N48SH magnets. This wire is 18 AVG wire, and the shaft is aluminium shaft with hardened steel core. You can see the steel core here inside. It runs on 3 to 5S battery, and actual thrust with 5-inch propeller is around 1200 grams when using 5S battery. So the best choice maybe for the 5-inch propeller, I will use these motors, as I said, in my quadcopter build. The other parts of my quadcopter build you can find in the videos on my channel. Oops, sorry. So the other parts, except the motors, you can find all those links, all those videos on my channel. Gap RC FPV frame, DIY 41 ESC, CADX camera, AKK VTX, and now my choice is Kakuti F7 flight controller. I also have a Matek F405 CTR. I will probably use Kakuti, and this is standard Lemon RX receiver for my Spectrum radio. So these are the parts for my quadcopter build, except props. Standard 5-inch propellers will be used for the first time, and yeah, some antenna which I have on my stock here. So this is, let me just show you, this is the antenna I'm going to use on the VTX. That's it. Stay tuned. Once I finish this quadcopter I will make a video and flight footage. All the links of all parts I have used will be in video description when I finish my build. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.